Now in this video we'll work out the highest common factor, or the H.C.F, and the lowest common multiple, L.C.M, for two numbers. We're going to use the numbers 24 and 60. So first of all, what we need to do is to find the factors of 24 and 60, and to do this I'm going to draw this factor tree. Now the first numbers, or we can take any numbers you like really, but I'm going to take, in this case, 4 and 6, but you could have taken 8 and 3. So this is 4, and this is 6 here, because 4 times 6 is 24. And we'll break this down into 2 and 2. And this one in as 2 and 3. Now go across to 60, and I'm breaking that down as 6 and 10. This breaks down to 2 and 3, and this one breaks down to 2 and 5. Now what I'll do next is I'm going to find the common numbers between these two prime numbers down here. Right, so to do that, I'm just going to fill in. Let's have a look here. Fill in this one. So we've got a 2 there, and a 2 there, and we've got a 2 there, and another 2 over here, and we've got a 3 here, and a 3 there. Right, now, the highest common factor, or the H.C.F, is what's common between these two numbers. And clearly that's the 2 here and a 2 here, a 2 here and a 2 there, and of course the 3. In other words, it's 2 times 2 times 3. And that gives you the highest common factor, which is 12. Now that's the largest number that will divide into 24 and into 60. Now we'll work out the L.C.M. The L.C.M is simply going to be equal to this number 24 multiplied by 5, this one over here. And that will give me 120. Or you could have done it the other way, the LCM, or the LCM could be written as 60, this number here, multiplied by the 2. And that will give you the LCM. Right. That's the lowest common multiple. Right? That's the lowest number that 60 and 24 will divide into. Now I'll give you another example to do and see if you can do this one yourself. Okay, this time it's 54 and 45. Alright, now just pause the video now and have a go at this one. Alright, okay, so I've broken it up this way. I've made that one a 6 there, and that one a 9, because 6 times 9 gives me 54. 6 breaks down to 2 and 3, and 9 breaks down to 3 and 3. 45 breaks down to 5 and 9, and that breaks down to 3 and 3. Now finding the highest common factor, we've got here a 3 and a 3, another 3, another 3, and that's it. There's nothing more that's common. So now to work out the highest common factor, the highest common factor is going to be equal to simply 3 times 3, which is 9. Now the lowest common multiple is simply equal to, we'll take this 54 multiplied by the prime number which is left over, which is 5, and 54 times 5 is 270. Or you could have done the lowest common multiple is equal to 45, starting with this number over here, multiplied by 2 times 3. 2 times 3, or the 6 above it, and 45 times 6 gives you again 270. Alright, and that will work for all numbers using that little factor tree.